Are you over 55 and starting to notice your legs feel weaker? Maybe climbing stairs leaves you out of breath. Or you get those sudden night cramps that jolt you out of sleep. Doctors often focus on prescribing pills, but they rarely tell you that there is a simple food loaded with over 700 milligrams of magnesium that can restore your muscle power, strengthen your legs, and even reduce painful cramps. In this video, I'm going to show you what this food is, why magnesium is the hidden key to strong muscles, and how you can use it to feel as mobile and energetic as you were years ago. Please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified anytime there is a new upload on the channel. Let's get started. As we age, one of the biggest challenges we face is loss of muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. After the age of 40, we naturally lose about 1% of muscle every year, and this process speeds up after age 60. Magnesium plays a vital role here. Think of it like the spark plug in your body. Just as a car won't run without a spark, your muscles and nerves can't function properly without magnesium. Here's what magnesium does. It controls how your muscles contract and relax, preventing cramps and spasms. It supports nerve communication so your brain signals reach your legs quickly and effectively. It strengthens your bones and joints, reducing the risk of falls. It helps your body use protein to repair muscle fibers while you sleep. Unfortunately, studies show that more than 70% of adults over 60 don't get enough magnesium. Why? Because our diets are often too low in magnesium-rich foods, and some medications like diuretics, acid blockers, or blood pressure drugs actually drain magnesium from the body. So what's this amazing food that doctors rarely talk about? It's pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. Just one cup of pumpkin seeds gives you about 700 milligrams of magnesium. That's nearly double the daily requirement for seniors. This makes pumpkin seeds one of the richest natural sources of magnesium on the planet. But pumpkin seeds are more than just magnesium. They contain zinc, which boosts your immune system and keeps your bones strong. They are high in iron, helping your body carry oxygen so your muscles don't feel tired. They are rich in omega-3, healthy fats, which fight joint inflammation and stiffness. In other words, pumpkin seeds are not just a snack. They are like a natural multivitamin for senior strength and vitality. When you start eating pumpkin seeds regularly, here is what you can expect over time. Better muscle control. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax smoothly. No more painful spasms or restless legs at night. Stronger legs. Magnesium boosts protein synthesis, the process your body uses to rebuild and maintain muscle fibers. This directly improves walking strength, balance, and endurance. Improved blood flow. Pumpkin seeds also contain arginine, an amino acid that supports nitric oxide production. This relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation to your legs, meaning your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients. Less fatigue. Iron inside pumpkin seeds helps your blood carry oxygen efficiently, giving your body the stamina to move without getting tired so quickly. Research even shows that seniors who maintain good magnesium levels have 20 to 30% more grip strength, leg power, and mobility compared to those who are magnesium deficient. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually eat pumpkin seeds? Here are simple and delicious ways. Snack on them roasted. Buy unsalted pumpkin seeds and eat a small handful in the afternoon instead of chips or cookies. Add to breakfast. Sprinkle them over oatmeal or mix into yogurt for an extra nutrient punch. Blend in smoothies. Pumpkin seeds give a nutty flavor and extra protein to your shake. Mix in soups or salads for a nice crunch and added minerals. Pair pumpkin seeds with a source of protein like yogurt, cottage cheese, or eggs. Why? Because protein helps your body absorb magnesium better and turns it directly into muscle strength. So here's something most people don't know. The best time for seniors to eat magnesium-rich foods is in the evening before bed. Why? Because magnesium is not only a muscle builder, it's also a natural relaxant. It calms your nervous system, reduces stress, and helps you fall asleep faster. When you sleep, your body enters its natural repair mode, rebuilding muscles, restoring nerves, and strengthening bones. By giving your body magnesium before bed, you are fueling that repair process. A small bowl of Greek yogurt topped with pumpkin seeds at night can literally help your legs grow stronger while you sleep. Of course, pumpkin seeds are powerful, but variety is key. Here are other magnesium-rich foods that can support your muscles. Spinach. Half a cup provides about 80 milligrams of magnesium. Almonds. A handful gives about 75 milligrams. Dark chocolates. 1 ounce has about 65 milligrams. Avocado. One medium fruit gives 60 milligrams. Adding these foods into your weekly meals alongside pumpkin seeds ensures your body gets all the magnesium it needs daily. So seniors, don't wait for weakness or falls to remind you how important your muscles are. By adding just one powerful food, pumpkin seeds, into your daily routine, you can rebuild muscle strength, prevent cramps, improve blood circulation, and feel steady on your feet again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural senior health tips. Your journey to stronger muscles starts with one handful of pumpkin seeds today. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, Green Health Cares.